Arithmetic sequences and series. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence of numbers where the difference between consecutive terms is always the same. Let's see an example. To understand arithmetic sequences, consider series of numbers 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, and so on to identify if the given series is in arithmetic sequence or not. We have to find the differences of consecutive terms. Let's consider the series of numbers as A1, A2, A3, A4, terms, and so on. Now, let's calculate the difference of first two terms of series, that is A2 minus A1 equals 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now, let's calculate the difference of second and third terms of series, that is A3 minus A2 equals 8 minus 5 equals 3. Now, let's calculate the difference of third and fourth terms of series. That will be A4 minus A3 equals 11 minus 8 equals 3. You can observe that each difference is 3, so the sequence is arithmetic. Writing a rule for the nth term to calculate the nth term of arithmetic sequence. Use the formula an equals 2, a1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Common difference is represented by d, where d is difference of two consecutive terms, that is a2 minus a1. Example, finding the 10th term, given a equals 3, d equals 5, n equals 10. Solution, nth term of arithmetic sequence is given by an equals 2, an1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d is common difference, and a is the first term of the series. To find the 10th term, substitute all the values. In the above formula, a10 equals 2, 3 plus 10 minus 1 multiplied by 5 equals 3 plus 9 times 5 equals 3 plus 45 equals 48. The sum of a finite arithmetic series is given by the formula Sn equals n times a1 plus an over 2. Sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic series is Sn. A1 is first term, an is nth term. Example, sum of first 10 natural numbers. Given a equals 1, d equals 1, n equals 10. Solution, write the formulas for sum of n terms and nth term of arithmetic sequence. Let's calculate the 10th term of the sequence, hence a10 equals a1, which is 1, plus n is 10, minus 1 times d is 1, that is 1 plus 9, which equals to 10. Now sum of 10 terms is given by S10 equals 10 over 2, multiplied by 1 plus 10. 2 simplifies with 10, 5 times. That equals to 5 times 11, which is 55. Thanks for watching.